guys, this is Tash here, my PTP gang. How y'all doing? Hopefully you guys watched my hair video that I did. I did my sister hair. I've taken my 2 braids out, and I'll probably unleash this at the end of this video. Today I have some coconut fried shrimp and some fried chicken, some french fries with Cajun seasoning on it, and I have some Buffalo Wild Wing Asian zing sauce. Now, the other day I ate this with some chicken that I fried, this particular chicken, and it was so good. And I ate it with some fries. So I was like, I'm gonna do a video for my viewers. So here I am. I have some Kool-Aid here in my water bottle. I drank the water first because I feel like if I'm going to drink anything other than water, I need to drink at least a cup of water first. But I drank a bottle of water first. I'm probably going to get full off of this, even though this is the first thing I've eaten all day. And it is, I believe it's 2 o'clock. Basically 2 o'clock. Okay, so we're going to say grace and we're going to go ahead and start this video. Alright, so we can call it a chicken and shrimp french fry mukbang, I guess. So I'm going to start with the fries and the Asian zing sauce. The Asian zing is spicy, but like it's sweet. Like, I don't know if you can see. Let me see. If you can see the thickness of it. Yeah, but it's good. Trying to keep it up there. So and guys, I have bought the hot from Buffalo Wild Wings, the spicy garlic. And I paid like $12 from Buffalo Wild Wings. I went to Walmart. They had the 3-pack box for $8. So for $2, I got, for $2, for $12, I got 2. And I went to Walmart and got 3 of them for $8.88. So I was like, turn up. This chicken is crunchy. So, I got this shrimp from Myers, and they sell it by the pound. Now, they gave it to me in this little like deli bag, so I took it out and I put it in some freezer bags. So I put 10 in each bags, guys, for, let's see, I'll say $16. I got 35 pieces of coconut shrimp. Now, I think that's a deal. It may not be a deal to some folks, but to me, that's a deal. And it was 35 pieces, a little over 2 pounds. And they're like 7 something a pound. Guys, we are slowly but surely getting up in subs. Slowly but surely getting up in views. I am trying really hard to make sure I get all these videos out to you guys. Also, like, it's not all about eating. You know, it could be about hair or just talking, period. Sorry, y'all. This chicken good. Now, this chicken was pre-breaded. And I got this chicken from a local store here in where I stay at. And I get it by the bag. And when I tell y'all, it's good. We call the store Muhammad's, but that's not the name of the store. That's the name of the owner of the store. It's definitely not the name of the store. I'm almost positive it's not. But if somebody say, I'm going to Muhammad's, we know where you're going. So, I'm going to tell y'all, the last 3 days I've been at work and my body has been hurting so bad. Y'all, I ain't touched my shrimp because it's them all in their own. Like, all by themselves. Like, you see? Look at that. This chicken comes right off the bone. And that's how you know it's Muhammad's. I was a fan of Buffalo Wild Wings hot. That's why I got it. But this Asian Zing taking the cake. The whole cake, nothing but the cake. I had to go to the doctor today because, like I told y'all, my body was hurting. And, well, I got some Asian Zing on my shirt. And, so, I have to do some tests for my doctor. I don't know how this is tasting now. I mean, the coconut drowns out a lot of the flavor. But it ain't bad. Y'all, I generally don't do coconut, but the breading on this shrimp is so good that I had to go back and get some more. Now, the first time I bought this, I think about a half a pound. And the only reason why I did is because, look at that. You see it? The only reason why I did is because I was scared. You know? I was scared. I was like, I don't know about coconut. But I had coconut shrimp at Red Lobster, and I kind of liked it. So I was like, I'm gonna try to make some coconut shrimp. But now I don't have to. I'm almost positive it's butterfly coconut shrimp. See, I think I cooked these for like 2 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I cooked these for 4 minutes. So, my Valentine's Day, y'all see my face, right? I worked Valentine's Day. And, excuse me, it wasn't a bad day. But y'all, let me tell y'all, you see a lot of things working in retail. Now, I had a customer. That, sorry, my battery getting low. I had a customer that came to buy, you know, Valentine's Day things. And I mean, like, he went all out. But, you know, he can ring up. And I'm like, oh my God, you buying your girlfriend a lot of stuff. He's so sweet. I mean, he had the big teddy bear, a little teddy bear, then a small teddy bear. He had the big balloon, and like 4 little balloons. I'm like, wow, you're going all out for her. No. He said, oh, this ain't for one person. I said, excuse me, sir, excuse me, sir, excuse me. What you mean? He said, yeah, did right here. See, he ain't from up here. He from the South. He said, did right here. This for my woman. I said, so basically the big bear, the big balloon, the big card, and the candy was for her. The little bear, the medium bear, and the other balloons with no cards was for his side chicks. Now, how do you think that that's okay? First of all, you shouldn't even have a side chick. Especially because, for what? Then you got more than one. Y'all, he wasn't cute. I mean, not at all. So, in my mind, I'm like, you're not cute and you cheating? Make that make sense, boy. So, then, I didn't say that, of course, but then he proceeds to ask me to write in his card. He was like, you got nice handwriting. Can you write in this card? I was like, I do not want to be a part of your shenanigans, sir. I wrote in his card for him. But it kind of like Tukes here. It kind of like threw me off because I'm going through some things in my life right now. And I don't understand. What's the benefits of making a woman get into a committed relationship with you just to cheat on her? I don't get it. If you want to be single, because when you have a woman and then a side chick, that's single stuff. Ooh, I almost cussed out, sorry. So, what's the point of telling her you want to be monogamous? Because you don't want her messing with nobody else? Because that's not fair. I forgot what I was talking about, y'all. My sister called me. But, yeah, I don't understand it. If you're going to do single things, be single. Men, boys, males, just be single. That's my daughter. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay. Y'all did want to see my hair. Alright, don't say nothing about my hair. Ooh. This is my hair. It got straight, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. Yep. I wear my hair like this to work, actually. I had like a little headband right here, and then I wore my hair like this to work. I still gotta wash it. It's pretty. It got some curls in it. But anyway. No. But anyway. Whew. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will be seeing you guys on the 16th. I will not be uploading on Sundays, at least I don't think. So yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Yes, Ava. Comment, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.